What you cooking, Roch?
Whatcha cooking, Roch?
What's up, guys, and welcome to my channel, What You Cookin' Roch. Alright, and for those that are new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate the love, I really do. So please consider subscribing, and oh yeah, leave a comment, you guys, and tell me what you think. And word up to me, give me that thumbs up. Alright, and don't forget to click that reminder bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. So we getting ready to make
the big beast.
Alright, let's get this sandwich together because you know it's not going to make itself. Alright, so we have some pepperoni slices, we got some ham, hard salami, we got some smoked applewood ham, and some beef pastrami. Alright, we got some purple onions, and we got some crunchy water, aka lettuce, and some Swiss cheese, and we're going to put a little banana peppers on top and some Gourmandise peppercorn dressing. Alright, so got my bread. I'm using a Rustic Italian bread. Smells good. Now we're going to start with putting on that Gourmandise. I think I'm saying that right. And peppercorn. All my ingredients are boarhead meats. All right. So we're going to squeeze a little on top here, and then we're going to spread it like so. We're going to try to at least put it over the whole slice of bread. Just spread it over the whole slice there. All right. Add a little bit more. All right. Now, we're going to move over and get this sandwich assembled. First, we're going to start with Swiss cheese. And we're going to give it a nice layer. Now, I'm using 3 pieces of cheese. And layer it like so. Now, we're going to put on that beef pastrami. And pastrami wasn't cheap either. It was like $12.99 a pound. So, but that's what it takes to make the big beast, all right? So we're going to add in our smoked applewood ham on top. And just layer it. All right. I'm going to put 3 pieces of that. Fold it over like so. Add that in there like that. Now, I'm going to move over to that hard salami. I like me some hard salami. Put it on some crackers and some cheese. Now, put a layer of that on top like so. And just repeat. Now we're going to add in that pepperoni. The pepperoni, y'all. We're going to add in that pepperoni. That's the sandwich size. Slices. All right. Now, I'm going to move over. Now we're just going to finish up and dress this baby up. We're going to put a little bit of that banana peppers rings on top. Now, I usually put black olives, too, on top. You can do that as well, too. Now we're going to add in the red onions. That's actually purple. Gonna layer that. You can see it come together, y'all. And we're gonna add in that crunchy water on top. All right. Now, I've layered it again with that Gourmandise. All right. Layer it like so, and then we're gonna crown this baby. We're gonna put your crown on top. Yes. Yep. Ta-da! Okay, I don't know why I was pushing it because it ain't going nowhere. All right, guys. That sandwich is looking really, really good. You know, that's what I'm talking about. You see? There you go. Got you guys. I got you. I got you. I got you, mate. I got you. I got you. All right. So cut this baby so y'all can see what it looks like inside. All right. Here we go. The big beef. All right, y'all. There y'all have it. That is the big beef. I love this sandwich, y'all. It's so big I can't even get my mouth around it. But thanks for watching, you guys. And please subscribe. All right. And thank you for watching What You Cookin' Roch. Bye-bye.